Hey, the first time I used the HP 2026 17-inch laptop, I realized my expectations finally matched my workload. No more lag, no more waiting for apps to catch up, just responsive performance that actually keeps pace with what I need to do. This isn't for someone who shrugs when a laptop hiccups under pressure. This is for the person who feels every delay, slow tabs, frozen spreadsheets, sluggish multitasking, and knows it shouldn't have to be that way. You already recognize when performance isn't enough, and you're done settling for gear that barely keeps up. Before anything else, check the current price and availability. Powerful systems like this don't stay steady for long, and hesitation usually ends up costing more than you expect. I knew it was time to upgrade when my old machine started slowing down the moment multiple apps and browser tabs opened. The difference with this HP was immediate. It wasn't just faster, it responded. Apps opened instantly. Heavy spreadsheets never hiccuped. Video conferencing didn't drop frames. Switching between work, documents, and creative space felt seamless instead of fragmented. That feeling, when your laptop finally starts keeping pace with you, once you feel it, you don't want to go back to delays and waiting. Using this every day completely changed how productive I feel. On long work sessions, it doesn't stutter. On hybrid workflows, documents, meetings, creative tools all open at once, nothing strains. Even casual tasks feel smooth instead of sluggish. This isn't about raw numbers, it's about fluid motion and real use. And let's be honest, if you tell yourself you'll wait for later, it almost always becomes regret when prices climb or stock dwindles. Every time you consider something weaker, you come right back to what you already wanted, performance that doesn't compromise. You might wonder whether a larger screen or powerful specs really matter. What surprised me wasn't just the speed, it was confidence. That 64GB RAM keeps everything composed instead of crowded. The 15th General Intel Core Ultra 7 doesn't just make things quicker, it makes multitasking stable and predictable. The 17.3-inch touchscreen isn't just big, it's responsive and crisp, making work feel direct and intuitive. That's the kind of balance you don't realize you're missing until it's suddenly there. Owning this laptop changes how you sit down to work. You don't repeat tasks because of slowdowns. You don't wrestle with lag. You just get work done, and that's a confidence that comes only when your gear feels trustworthy instead of tentative. Performance feels sharp and fluid, multitasking stays steady under load, workflows feel smooth and effortless, large screen feels direct and intuitive, every task feels efficient and capable. It's larger and heavier than ultra portables, you'll notice lesser systems flinch instantly. Eventually you stop looping comparisons and just choose the laptop you already wanted. Don't make this the upgrade you think about next month and quietly regret you waited. Check price and availability now, and step into performance that actually feels purposeful.